understanding. How could I grasp all that you are? You are the Alpha and Omega, and somehow still you are my heart. Even in all of your splendor, I am a child, you're my father. In every trial, every season, I know the name of Jesus. The name of Jesus. You are Emmanuel, God with us, Jehovah Rapha, God our healer, Prince of Peace. You quiet every sea. This is who you are.